add text to a video. It's just little bits and bobs that I've picked up along the way as I'm learning myself. So I've just added a video to the bottom timeline, and I've actually muted the sound. If you want to know how to do that, then have a look in my sound and volume adjustment tutorial. It's only a couple of minutes long, show you how to do that. So we're going to add some text to this video, so we'll play just a little section here just to show there's no text on it. So there we go, we use this bit along here, and as you can see, no text at all. So what we want to do is split this at playhead. So I like to just use the mouse, so split that there. I'm going to split that there, and we're going to select this section here by left clicking on the mouse, and I've already done one little filter, so you come up to the filter tab, click this one here, and this will appear. And then easiest way to do it is just type text in here, and you can get it will bring up 2 from the menu. Click on simple. So if I click this bar now to the middle here, it'll show the default, which is the timestamp. So this is the area here, look, so it's giving you time code. So if we delete that, that will now disappear off the screen, and we can type something in like bash bash. Alright, so bash bash just come up on the screen. So this was only going to come in this section here now, this section that we've selected. Okay, so we can change the font size, so we use our font size, and we can change the font style as well. There's a couple there, so we go completely bold, and then we're going to go font size. I'm going to take it down to about 60 just for the tutorial sake, and now we can change where we want it. There's 2 ways of doing that. First of all, I'm going to show you there's set presets just here, so we can have it right in the middle like so, have it on the right, have it on the left, have it top left, top right, we can have it bottom left, bottom right. Okay, so I'm going to center it in the middle there. You can also just grab the corner if I can and move it around like this, and that creates the window. If you want to just move it around, you can like that to anywhere you like. There's a little button just in the middle. Hang on, I'm going to put it on the green so you can see it. Oh, actually, let's put it into the shadow so you can see it a little bit easier. There's this button just there, look. So again, if we just make it the size you want, you've got your button there, and you can put that anywhere you like on the screen. So I'm going to put it about here, like so. And then what we're going to do is just show you a little bit before. So we come along here, he's going to turn around now, and he's going to bash, bash, bash. The box will disappear, obviously, from the video whilst you're saving it, and it will become nice and clear just with the bash, bash on there. Okay, so if you're unhappy and you're a little bit worried about the box, if it's a first time edit, you don't want to muck it up, just go for the other type. So we're going to split playhead there. I'll just show you that one. So let's click this section here. Again, we're going to add, we're going to type in text. We're going to go simple. Going to take, you've got to move this into the middle or anywhere along in between your cut piece there. We're going to highlight that type away. So now we're going to type in, what should we type in? Let's type in bash, bash again. So we're going to change the font size. We're going to change it to bold. We're going to change that to 60. We're going to press OK. Then we're going to pop it in the middle. And as I say, we can just move it around wherever we want, but we're going to keep it right in the middle there. So now we're going to have a little look. So there we go. And the first bash bash has come up there, look, so the box is gone now. And then the second bash bash has come up. So there we go. That's how to add text. You can add as much as you like. All you need to do is just work the section where you would like it. So if you want to do one here, Let's have a little look. So on this section on here, split it playhead, select it so it's highlighted. Oh, sorry. And just type in text, simple text. Highlight the time code or just delete the time code, whichever you want to do. And we're going to put in continue bashing. So there we go. We're going to change the font size to what we want it, which is bold and 60. And we need to click in the middle here. So it's continue bashing. You need to click in the middle there just to show it up, so you can see it. Continue bashing. So there we go. So if we do this, we can then look at what we've done. So it's going to go bash bash, and then it's going to go the other bash bash, the other way to do it, or the other way to move it around, more centralized than the uniformal way of doing it. And you're going to go bash bash again, and then he's going to continue bashing. So that is how you add text to a video. Just a quick, nice, easy tutorial for you guys to watch. So if you like what you see and you want to have a go yourself, you carry on, guys. Give it a bash. And if you do like what you see, can you please hit the like button? Give us a thumbs up. That would help out a great deal. And I shall see you in the next one. Thanks very much for listening and watching.